Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is how to create vertical flip box using HTML and CSS. What we discuss on today? How to create vertical flip box using HTML and CSS. I will explain each and everything step by step with coding also. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM, complete free web technologies and latest digital marketing tutorials also updated a SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail and your mobile also. Please support me, please encourage me. Please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today, how to create vertical flip box using HTML and CSS. Yeah, okay, this is the basic HTML structure we all of you know. Here I am title given vertical flip box only. I am creating a style.css file. Just I am not to write anything here. Here I am calling the local CSS file. Okay, here I am write the h1. Using HTML and CSS. Next here I am write class flipbox do class flipbox inner do class flipbox and okay. Vertical flipbox front side. Vertical 3D flipbox over only. Okay, once we check the output, this is the output. Next I am write the CSS for this. Box size in margin, body, color white and 20 pixel, border bottom, IPX solid. Okay, So we'll check the output. This is the output. Oh, sorry. Student center. So we'll check the output. This is the output. This is the output. Next, electrode, which is the adding standard pixel. Yeah. Okay. Next, I will write the CSS for flipbox. 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 First of all, width. Suppose 500 pixels. Background color transparent. Background color transparent. Border MPX. Solid white. Yeah, okay. MPX solid white. Box shadow. Box shadow. APX. 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 Okay. We should check the output. Right. 200 pixel. Margin. Auto. Okay. Yeah. This is the output. Next here, I will write H4 padding 10 pixel. Yeah. Okay. Next, border radius suppose 40x. Also check the output. This is the output. Okay. Next, I will write the box. Position relative with 100%, height 100%. Okay. Texture and center. Transform style. Reserve radio. Okay. Font style. And okay. Next, I will write the box font. Background color 650. Width 100%. Height 100%. Width 100%. Height 100%. Color. Okay. Border 5x. Solid. Okay, once we check the output, this is the output. Next, flipbox, flipbox front, flipbox back, position, absolute, width, 100%, height, 100%, back face visibility, length. Okay, yeah, this is the back face visibility is none, length. Yeah. Okay, next, suppose flipbox over, flipbox over, flipbox inner, transform, rotate, rotate x 180 degrees. Okay. Next, we will got the box back. Transform, rotate x 180 degrees. Okay. Now what is the problem? The box inner part is missing. So that's why. Yeah. This is the flip box, vertical flip box rotation. Vertical flip box front side and back side. So guys, this is the process to write the vertical flip box. I hope we all understand how to create vertical flip box in HTML and CSS. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and latest digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. Please support me. Please encourage me. And if you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail and your mobile also. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.